Not all indicators are created equal. Now, some work better than others, and some also work in pairs with each other better than others do. And my job in this video is to show you the ones that do. So guys, I'm already on the platform, and as you can see, I've selected the following set of indicators. We have our fractal band with a period of 5, the fractal also with a period of 5. We have our weighted moving average with a period of 15, and also the oscillator indicator with this same period settings. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and let's get right into it, guys.
If you want to trade like a pro, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. Daily trading signals, winning strategies that actually work, live trading and profit breakdowns. Don't miss out on game-changing content that can make you serious money. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a trade.
Okay, guys, so we have our first trade over here, and I opened a long in this place. So first of all, let's focus on the volume color change. We can see that over there, even if it's small, it's still noticeable. And also we have a structural minimum update by the fractal. We can expect price to move up. Also, we have a cross from bottom to top with the moving average, which is also a signal that we're going upwards, guys. So we try to enter the trade during this pullback. Let's see how it goes, guys. Awesome, guys. Our first trade closes in a profit. Amazing. Let's update our max balance and look for the next entry. Okay, guys, so I just got my second entry, and here we're opening a short trade. Let's analyze this chart. You can see that we're within the fractal bands, and there was a change in volume on the histogram. Also, we see an update to the local maximum, and we also see a cross from top to bottom on the moving average. So all this is indicated a downward trend, and as you can see, we're already in a downward trend, so we're just following the trend with this trade. Let's see how this one closes, guys. But this is a very high probability setup. I'm really confident in this one. But like I said, let's see how it ends. Awesome, guys. Our deal closes in profit again. We're on a streak. Amazing. Let's up our balance and we'll take the next trade, guys. Okay, guys, so I just opened the next trade and I opened the long. As you can see, we're following the actual trend dynamics because we're in an uptrend. And we can see that the upper band of the fractal was broken from bottom to top. And I believe that this breakout will continue. The only thing I would mention is that the ideal entry level was not entered. So we should have entered a bit slightly lower. That would have been a better place to enter. But I still believe it will go in our favor, guys. Let's see how it unfolds. It's kind of tricky because I wanted to enter at a more ideal level, but there's also the fact that the market could go in my direction quicker and I wouldn't get the chance. And that's why I entered at the level that I entered at. It's a bit risky, but let's see how it closes, guys. Awesome, guys. Just at the last second, it moved in our direction. Perfect. Our strategy is very effective, as you can see. The result would have been better if we had a better entry, but we're still closing a profit, so it's still very good. Let's look for our next trade.
If you're serious about making money from trading, stop watching and start taking action. Inside my exclusive Telegram channel, I drop high accuracy signals, pro trading tips, and real-time updates to help you win big. Don't trade alone. Trade smart with the best. Click the link below and join the winning team now.
Okay, guys, so this time I opened a long trade over here. This one is a very, very good entry point, actually. So we see a change in volume on the oscillator. And we can also see an intersection on the moving average, and an update of the local structural minimum, guys. So all this is pointing upwards. This is a very, very good entry point. This is a very, very good entry point, and I'm really confident in this trade. Let's see how it closes, guys. Awesome, guys. That was a close one at the end. We were almost about to lose that one. You know, market can really be crazy sometimes. It was already going in that direction. There was a slight pullback in the next candlestick, and that was kind of putting our trade in a risk, but it's still ending in that direction, guys. The trade still ending in the direction. Let's just take a couple of more trades. I'm not gonna risk everything. Let's take a couple of more trades and look for good entries, guys. Okay, guys, we have our next entry. So over here, I observed an upcoming intersection of the upper fractal bands, and it's signaling a breakout, basically. And that's why I entered there for a buy. We can also see that the volume dynamics are increasing. And even though there is no clear trend, the market's kind of flat right now. I'm kind of just focusing on the upper bands of the fractal. There was a previous downward trend, so it makes sense that the market would rectify that by going up a bit. Although because there was no obvious trend and the market was flat, it already reduces the probability of this trade. Even though, let's see how it ends, guys. There, guys. So we closed that one with a loss. I'm opening again because I still believe that this will go in our favor. Even if we don't get this one, it's still fine. We still have enough profits for the day. So let's just hope it goes in our favor. But if it doesn't, it's still okay, guys. But I really believe that this will go up. Market is just a bit late about making that move. But let's see how this one ends, guys. I think we can make back that money. Come on, come on. Come on. Oh, bro, that was so close, man. So we ended that with a profit, but that was literally so close. That was so close, guys. Let's move on to withdrawal, guys. So today's profit amounts to $1,100, guys. As you can see, the withdrawal has been successfully completed. And that's it for today's trading session, guys. I really hope that you understood the explanations of each of these indicators, you know, what signals they're showing and how to interpret that in your own trading. Don't forget to check out my Telegram channel. I'm going to leave a link in the description. If you need extra help with your trading journey, I'm there just for you. Anyways, see you guys in the next time. Peace.